How swallowing works, also called deglutition. The process that moves food from the mouth to the stomach. It happens in 3 coordinated phases: the oral phase, the pharyngeal phase, and the esophageal phase. We will follow each phase step by step, with visuals synchronized to the exact actions you see on screen. Oral phase. Voluntary. Swallowing begins in the mouth as chewing breaks food into manageable pieces. As saliva mixes with food, lubrication and enzymatic action help form a cohesive mass called a bolus. Here, a bolus forms on the tongue, ready for transport. The tongue then pushes the bolus backward with a coordinated anterior to posterior rolling motion. At the same moment, the soft palate lifts to close off the nasal cavity. This seal prevents material from entering the nasopharynx. With the bolus driven toward the pharynx, the oral phase completes. Importantly, this is the only voluntary phase of swallowing. Pharyngeal phase. Involuntary. As the bolus reaches the oropharynx, sensory receptors are activated. Receptors in the pharyngeal wall trigger the swallow reflex via brainstem control centers. The larynx moves upward as the hyoid pulls it forward and superiorly. The vocal cords close to protect the airway. The epiglottis flips down, sealing the airway. The bolus is diverted away from the trachea and toward the esophagus. Simultaneously, the upper esophageal sphincter opens to receive the bolus. Pharyngeal muscles contract in sequence, propelling the bolus efficiently. During this phase, airway protection is prioritized and automatic. Esophageal phase. Involuntary. The bolus now travels through the esophagus. Rhythmic peristaltic contractions squeeze behind the bolus. These waves coordinate along striated and smooth muscle regions to maintain forward flow. Approaching the stomach, the lower esophageal sphincter relaxes. The bolus passes into the stomach for digestion. As the bolus clears, the larynx moves back down and the epiglottis lifts up. Normal breathing resumes. Swallowing is a complex, perfectly timed process that protects your airway and safely delivers food to your stomach. Subscribe to ENT Simplified for more visual, science-based ENT videos. Thanks for watching.